In this video, I will show you how to open and change batteries on your Hisense TV remote control. Now, it doesn't matter the type of Hisense TV remote control you have, whether it's the Hisense Google, Hisense Android, or the Hisense Vidaa Smart TV remote control. Basically, what you want to do is to turn over to the back of the remote control, and basically you just want to pull out the battery pack cover. So you can literally see this place where we have these two lines at the back of the remote control. So you just want to pull the battery pack from that particular place. Just press and then pull out from the back, just like so. And then you want to remove the battery pack cover, just like so. Now you want to proceed to remove the batteries from the remote control. So from this end, you just want to use your finger to pull out the batteries, and then you want to do the same thing from over here as well. Now you can literally see my batteries are not so good, and that is probably why they are not working. So you want to go ahead and get new batteries for your remote control, but at the same time you also have to be careful the type of battery you get for your Hisense TV remote control. For some remote control you will need the AAA battery, and for some you will need the AA batteries. Mine over here uses the AAA batteries. If you do not know the type of batteries that your remote control uses, you can check the description of this video for more information. Now over here I actually have these brand new AAA batteries I got, so I'll just go ahead and insert them inside of my remote control. You want to make sure that the bottom of the batteries are actually facing the parts of the remote control that has a spring, so just insert it just like so. And then the same thing for this, the bottom should be facing the part that has a spring. Once you're done, you can go back and close the battery pack cover, and then make sure you pull it up so that it covers properly. Now once you're done, you can try controlling your Hisense TV one more time, and trust me, your Hisense TV remote control should start working properly again. If it still does not work, you can try pairing the remote control with the TV again, or you can just check the description of this video to watch my tutorial on how to fix any Hisense TV remote control that is not working. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.